Spider-Man transformation, a webbed, wall-climbing train. Thanos transforms, the giant train that shakes the streets with its power. Ghost Rider transformation, the fearless train speeding through the flames. Captain America returns, a strong and sturdy train in the pursuit of justice. Iron Man transformation, a high-tech, strong-as-steel train. The Venom transformation, an unstoppable train fueled by the power of darkness. Batman transforms, out of mystery, aboard the train of darkness. Doctor Strange transformed, a mysterious train of legendary power. Flash transformation, a train shaped by the legendary power of speed. Superman transformation, a giant train formed by the legendary combination of power and air. The Shazam transformation, the impressive giant train that combines his power and legendary essence. Wolverine transformed, the legendary giant train with sharp claws on the road. Ant-Man transformed, the hero who becomes a legendary train with the power to shrink. Thor transforms, the power that becomes a legendary train that wrecks lightning bolts. Aquaman transforms, a legendary train from the depths of the sea. Hulk transformation, a massive train that unleashes its power on every track. Hawkeye transformation, a fast and efficient train that reflects his sniping.